Hello, thank you for joining us. My name is Andy Sanchez, and I'll be your presenter for this Microsoft Teams demo. So, a great feature that is very useful, and it's actually available in any of the different sections of Teams. So, right now we've been looking at just the Team section, but you can also find this search field on the top in the chats. Right? You have the same search field in activity, calendar, it's everywhere. So you can easily search for documents, right? You can search for users. So for example, if we want to look up Adele, you can find her and you'll pull up her chat. If we go to Teams and we search Adele, we can, yeah, no, I guess she didn't post anything yet in that team. But you have you can also search with commands. So for example, if we do slash, you can see all of the different commands that you can pull up. And the notifications here also gives you a nice search feature, which is here, right? And there's no notifications because this is a demo environment, but the notifications is essentially where you will find any at mentions when other users mention your name, they mention a channel or a team that you're part of. You'll find that here, any replies to or comments to your documents, to your posts, any likes, right, or reactions to your comments and posts, you'll find them here. You'll be able to filter um, based on the type of notification that you're looking for. Right, you can also choose to just view any of the activity that you've taken part in. So in here, for example, you can see the posts that I've done or the replies that I've made to other people's posts.